Believe it or not, I still shoot with this thing even in 2020 because I love the look that we can achieve from using film. But you can achieve the same look using a digital camera, and I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve that in Lightroom by just using your cell phone and of course Lightroom application. So before we get started, if this is your first time here, my name is Asad and this is a channel all about cinematography, photography, and we create Lightroom presets every week. So if this is something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. So without further ado, let's just go into Lightroom and let me show you how we're going to create this preset. So guys, I'm going to show you a few before and after examples, and then just follow along. These are some of the pictures I shot in New York City, and some of them are shot from my phone, some of them are shot from my Canon 5D Mark III, some of them are from Canon 60D, but I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to create a look that is going to be very similar to Portra 400, one of my favorite films that I use all the time. So let's select the picture that we're going to edit in Lightroom Mobile, and let's go to the Light tab first. We'll adjust the exposure a bit. I think we have to stop around that, a little bit over. It's looking good. We'll erase the contrast a little bit. Also bring the highlights up. And these are the basic settings, right? So once we created the preset and you apply that on your own picture, come back to this tab and adjust the things for your liking. So we're adjusting it based on pictures that I have shot, because I shoot around like certain time, and then I have the same consistent look throughout. Yeah, let's increase the blacks as well. Okay, I think it's pretty good here. Let me see. Next thing, we're gonna go to the curve, and again, as always, start creating points. I'm gonna create a fade, so we're just gonna start playing with that. Another trick, if you basically don't touch any settings in the main tab, the light tab, you can also adjust the contrast, midpoints, highlights, shadows from the curve itself. So that's another thing which you can apply to your editing. Let's create another point. I think it's looking good right here. Let me bring it down a little bit. Yes, I think it's good. So let's go to the blue curves next. And let's adjust this a little bit as well. Again, we're gonna go for a very small subtle kind of adjustment here, because presets are all about, not just presets, but overall editing is all about subtle adjustments. Your picture should not look over processed. Okay, once you're done with that, just go to the color tab. We'll adjust a few things here. Let's bring the tints down and work with the vibrance. Bring the saturation down as well. And then we'll go to the color mix and start playing around with some of the settings there. So just follow along. So once you're done with the individual colors, we'll go to split tones and just follow along. We'll just play with the shadows. We'll add a little bit of saturation here and hues, bring down to between 85 to 90-ish, somewhere around there. Okay, come on, let's try again. Okay, I think it looks good. Okay, it's done. Let's go to grain and add some grain, because we always add grain when we're going for this look, because Portra 400 film actually have that kind of look. Okay, just follow along. Also increase a little bit of sharpening, add a little bit of noise reduction. And I'm happy with the look, so let's try to copy these settings and apply on to different pictures. Okay, select this. Okay, I love this look. Really coming along nice. Okay, flat iron building. Let's try it on this one. I love that nice fade that is showing up. Okay, select this one and apply the same look here. Perfect. This before and after. Okay, let's select another one. Okay, and we'll paste these settings here. Amazing. Okay, let's go to the main picture and let's see. I'm gonna create this preset now. So let's call it Portra 400. I don't know why it's adding a hashtag, but that's fine. Let's save this. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna obviously export this file in the DNG format, and I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can download that. It's free of charge and you can apply it on your Lightroom. So guys, if you've learned anything of value from today's video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and like and give me your feedback in the comments down below. Also, with all the things going on, please try to stay indoors, try to keep yourself safe, and try to keep your loved ones safe as well. I will see you guys next week with another video. Till then, I'm going to sign off and I'm going to say goodbye.